So guys, how are you all? Welcome to our channel Adaptive Tech, and this is our first video on gameplay of COC. Recently we have given a video on IGI and I hope you all loved it. So my channel is basically TH10. Even I have a TH12 ID and we'll be showing some contents on that also. So I wish for your support in this channel too. Let's start. So my army is Baby Lightning and my heroes are also there, though they're low. But today, as I've taken this Climbing challenge, so let's complete it. And this army is very good for farming. Let's start. Hope I find a good base. Okay, let me do one thing. I will not keep you in clouds. After I find a good base, I'm coming. Just wait up.
A few moments later.
So guys, we are back. After a long time, I got a base. Though the loot is not so good, but we'll go for it. See, we'll just spam babies like this. The army is so easy, You can farm as much as you can. I'll try to get this one also. Wait, that AD, I don't like this. Okay, not a big deal. I'm getting this. I got loot. I think yes, I got much loot. This one is left. Okay, I'm taking it. Oh, there was not much. See, we got too much good loot, and it's too good. Remember, whenever you are going for loot, you should not see your trophies. Okay, your this army is just for that, and our job is over. Nothing is there more. Okay, let's go. See, with 9 babies, I got 3 lakhs loots and 2.5k dark, which is quite decent. Okay, let's train the same army. Oh, it's trained. Let's go for the next attack. So guys, sorry for the delay, but I got a good base. Okay, let's start. Though I think it will damage my attacks. Oh, that I need to do something with that baby. Okay, there one. I will get a good loot. I know. This ED I hate. Okay, from here I got the loot. From here I will get. From here. From here. Yes. Hmm. Yes, I got a decent loot. I think I will get that dark elixir drill also. Okay. Good one, good one. Okay, this one is left. Let me do that one also. Oh ma, I by mistake I did that. Okay, not a big deal. Oh, I will just put this one there. Yes, I'll get this loot. Okay, I'll put a pop up the ability. I don't want to waste more. Okay, let's back. So guys, we got a decent loot, not so bad. So let's get for the next army. You think I am not using the lightning because I don't think I should use there. Okay, it was waste of. So now let's find the next base. Okay, it's good if I find the base quick. This clouds. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me pause the video so that it's beneficial for them. So we got a very huge loot. 8,80,000 dark and more than 1 million elixir. Oof, I love it. Sorry, it was gold. So I think I will get not much, but let's go for it. Okay, one here, one this side, one maybe this side. This one I shall get. I suppose this one I will get. This one. Oh, okay, not a big deal. Hope the artillery does not activates. It will not be good. I think we got good loot. 6 to 7 lakhs I suppose we have got. Okay, one baby here. That baby, why it's going inside? It should take the elixir 12. Okay, not big problem. We shall get this left side one, and okay, this one. Oh, it was in ground. We got the test. Oh shit, for a little we didn't get the Tesla. Okay, we got good amount of elixir. Little gold is there. Okay, let me try with one baby. I suppose the baby goes near to the gold mine. That, oh, that it's going. Yes, 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 you can do that. Yes, you can do it. Yes, 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 you can do it. Yes, it took the elixir. Okay, one more is there. Let me put it here. Now I'll take the help of the lightnings. See, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and from where more dark can be taken? Not a big place. Okay, I'm putting here only. So you get it. Okay, decent look. Not a big good. I can take this one also. Let's go for it. It's not good. The artillery is activated. I should wait for some time. Okay, my queen shall do the job. Ability, and yes, it's done. Now let's back. See what a good loot we got. So guys, the loot was awesome. You can see here. So now I think you have understood what is the power of baby light. This is a very good strategy for those who are in TH10 and needs to do their base max early. Okay, so today's video will be this much only. I think we have got sufficient loot to get something. Okay, we got a good one. So what can we give now? I think we should go for lightning. Okay, you're gone. Do we have something? No, we don't have much things to do now. Can we give something for gold? No, it's too less. Okay, okay, not a big deal. Here also we need to complete a lot. Oh, this stone. This new building. Let's place it somewhere. Uh, this one. Okay, it could it will look good here. Okay, so guys, today's video is over. Hope you liked it. And if you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to comment. We need your support. Thank you.